Hello YouTube, I'm the Car Kid 12 and this is my Haro XO bike check after I got some new parts. Let's start from the back. I got these new Sunday Odowski back tire and front. I still have the Alienation 16 tooth rim with the stock hub. I have the KMC white chain running on a 36 redline sprocket with DK crank arms. I got a new Hoffman polka dot seat with a Sunday seat post and a Sunday seat clamp. I have a Zoomy sticker. I got these new Aaron Ross keypad grips, and these are really comfortable grips. I would recommend getting these, and they're pretty stylish. Alright, and then now we have the new Kink handlebars. They've got, I don't know, I think 8-inch rise. I don't know what the headset is. I got new Cane Creek bearings in my front, and then I got the original Haro forks, Odowski tires again, Alienation rim with a stock hub, big bolt. Alright, that's my bike. Alright, Car Kid 12 out.